Hey, yo, what's up, my friends, people, all the lovely, beautiful people watching this video. It's me, Matty D of A1 Solutions Group here to help you with your financial, or I say more specifically, your credit goals. Here with the video today on something that's very, very important. You got to understand that a lot of people unfortunately fall for, and it doesn't help to add to the industry's reputation, the image. Unfortunately, when it comes to credit repair and the industry, its reputation isn't the best. There are people who scam people, who do things, promise you the world. If you watch the video, you're going to understand what I'm talking about and what to avoid, and really how to avoid losing money, like who you can trust. This is important. And I had a story about this today. Here's the thing, people. If you're going to work with someone in credit repair, whether it be me or anyone else, you need to understand to not fall for the dream. Okay? Credit repair, legitimate credit repair takes time. We're talking a couple of months. If it takes a month, it's because you only have like 1 or 2 items on your file. That's it. Okay? If someone comes to you and says, hey, I can get your stuff cleaned up in 10 days, 2 days, run. The reason why is because what they're promising you is something illegal. Okay? And here's the other thing I think about. If you're dealing with bad credit for so long, for years, you're not going to get out of it overnight. It takes some time to get out, especially the more stuff you have on your file, okay? It's going to take some time. There's no if and buts about it. That's what it is. Here's your story that happened today. My business partner this, and a client that we helped, a client that actually, well, not really a client of ours, but someone we helped refer to one of our loan officers because looking to close on their house, or they found a buyer looking to sell it and get it done ASAP. And she was saying, hey, there's this guy who's helping people clean the credit on Experian. Here's another thing too, people. As I continue the story, there's 3 credit bureaus. Do not just go to one person who says, oh, I can get your stuff cleaned up on one. That doesn't matter. If it's cleaned up on one, but the other 2 are nasty, the gamble you have is going towards another lender, or car dealership, or apartment, or employer who may only check 1, they could check 2, they could check all 3, they could try more. You don't know what they're going to check. And if you're always asking, you're wasting time. Make sure your shit is cleaned, pardon my language, make sure your shit's clean in all 3 bureaus, period, end of story. So this guy's promising that he can clean people's stuff on Experian within like 3-4 days. And I was like, that's really, really fast. And it's illegal. It's doing some illegal stuff. The way it was happening, he was creating fake. Oh my God, guys, my business spoke to her. He said it's illegal. You can't do that because he's creating fake police reports, fraud reports, all this stuff to get things knocked off. The credit bureaus aren't stupid. You are monitored. You're looked at. If you're doing something shady that shouldn't be done, it will come back to bite you in the butt. This guy was charging $3,000 for services to get things knocked off. A woman worked with them. And what happened? It all came back to bite in the butt. The abusers out there saying, that like, you falsified documents, false police reports, and we're coming after you. So they're in trouble legally, screwed over. They're out $3,000. Now they're gonna pay more money to an attorney to help get out of the situation that they're in, and their credit is still gonna be ruined anyway because everything is gonna be put back on because of that. Okay, does this make sense? Like, not if you're with me. You know what I mean? You cannot fall for that stuff. And I've seen it happen, people, more often than not. Because when I tell them, hey, we can get this done, people come to us, oh, I need this stuff done within 30 days. It's not going to happen. It takes months' time. If you put yourself on a time limit, it's like you're going to have done in 60 days, you should have come to us months beforehand. I'm going to tell you, because here's the problem. If you are so hell-bent on that time frame, you will more likely, I can guarantee this, come across the wrong person who's going to tell you exactly what you want to hear. Not what you need to hear, what you want to hear. They're going to tell you exactly what you want to hear. And what's going to happen is they're going to say, oh yeah, I can get your stuff clean, and they'll give you whatever price. They'll take your money, and one or two things will happen. Nothing will happen, or 2, they'll do something, but then they'll come back to bite you in the butt, and you're screwed in your worst position. And then you're like, I don't do any credit card companies, they're all scams. Don't do that. Like Lace Lady, they're coming after her now, leave for falsifying police documents. And that guy, he's doing this wherever he is. That means if he's doing all this stuff, he's to to falsify police reports and stuff like that, which means he's pretending illegally, he's doing fraud, falsifying police reports, meaning he has a fake police name, all that stuff to get it done. Which means he's screwed, which means they're going to find out. And trust me, impersonating, I do believe, I do know at the very least impersonating a police officer is a criminal offense. I don't know if it's a felony. I think it is. But for what he's doing, it's going to just screw him over. So, with that being said, don't fall for the dream. You need to be told what you need to hear. Can credit repair work? Can it be done? Yes, it can. We have tons of proof and everything else. It's doable. You got to come in knowing it's going to take some time. It will not happen overnight. If you come to me or anyone else, you need this shit done in like 3 weeks, and we're like, no, it takes time, and then you're like, no, I need to find something different, you are putting yourself at a huge risk, and you will be screwed over, mad. I'm telling you, you can't find it. I'm going to let you go and bang your head against the wall and do something stupid. But just letting you know, this is me being truthful and honest with you. That being said, I am done. Please subscribe and watch this. If you got some value, please share. And as always, let me know what your thoughts are. Comment below. This is not a one-way conversation. Let me know what you think. Also, let me know what topics you want me to cover. That'd be great also. And if you're ready to move forward with us, the number is in the description below. All right. Peace.